name is Hariom Vijay Chaudhari. My phone number is 20803016. This is my third DIY assignment. So here, during the Proteus demonstration, I have made two projects. So first is the Arduino DST level 2 humidity and temperature sensor. So in the sample source code, I have made some changes. So first of all, I have made the 13 number pin as the output pin, and then in the loop I have added some conditions for temperature and humidity, and the time for which the light will blink. So if the temperature is less than 15 and humidity is also less than 25, the light will blink for 1 second. If humidity is greater than 60, it will blink for 0.5 seconds. Also, if temperature is greater than 20 and humidity is less than 25%, the light will blink for 1 second, and if humidity is greater than 60%, it will blink for 0.5 seconds. So this is the schematic capture of the circuit. So in the sensor, I have set the temperature as 29 degrees Celsius and the humidity as 15%. So let's see. So the light is blinking for 1 second. So then if we edit the properties of the sensor and change the humidity to 70%, then the light blinks for 0.5 seconds. Also, uh, if I change the temperature of the sensor as 14 degrees Celsius and humidity as 70%, then the light also blinks for 0.5 seconds. If I change the humidity to below 25, if I keep it as 20%, then the light blinks for uh, 1 second. So also it can be seen through the virtual terminal. Humidity is 20% and temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. So my second is project is the Arduino and RGB common cathode LED. So here I have made some oscillations. So for that, first I have made some changes in the source code, sample source code. So I added the pin 13 as output, and in the loop I have made some changes for the high and low. So first in the first cycle it will be the voltage will be high for 0.5 seconds, and then it will be low for 1 second. Then in the second it will be high for 0.25 seconds and low for 0.5 seconds, and then it will be high for 2 seconds and low for 4 seconds. So we can see this in the oscilloscope. So the total time period of this wave is 8.25 seconds. So this is my second project. Here the complete wave was shown. Thank you.